time Dr. Melvin came to you for help with a girlfriend's visa, did you think this is getting ridiculous? In general, how many visas will you get for a supporter's girlfriend? 4 or 5?
Good afternoon. I have a brief statement. Be the last statement that's made. The senator has a brief statement. As we have seen in so many cases, from former HUD Secretary Mike Espy in 1999 to Senator Ted Stevens in 2007, and 2 years ago in the case of Senator John Edwards, prosecutors at the Justice Department often get it wrong. These charges are the latest mistakes. This investigation started with false and salacious allegations made by political and other opponents of Senator Menendez. It was fueled by heavy-handed actions of agents pressuring witnesses. And then it had more than its fair share of improper leaks to the press. I have asked the Justice Department to investigate this misconduct, and I can only hope that they'll do so with as much vigor and with as many resources as they've applied to the investigation of Senator Menendez. Prosecutors got to write the indictment that they returned the way they wanted to, after a secret, one-sided presentation to a grand jury. But they don't get those advantages now. Now, they have to make good on those charges. Now, they have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that a 20-year friendship relationship between Dr. Melgen and Senator Menendez was something else. They have to prove that the consistent and proper policies of Senator Menendez were something other than that and were done not because it was the right thing to do, but for a corrupt purpose, and not to protect the security of Americans after 2001 and to ensure the safe and effective use of the healthcare system in the United States. But because this was a real friendship and not a corrupt relationship, and because Senator Menendez's actions were proper, this case, too, will become another of those mistaken cases that should have never been brought.
Thank you, Abby. Good morning, or good afternoon. For nearly 3 years, the Justice Department has pursued allegations based on smears launched by political opponents trying to silence me. Now they have laid out their case. We will finally have an opportunity to respond on the record, in court, with the facts. As I said yesterday, these allegations are false, and I am confident they will be proven false, and I look forward to doing so in court. Thank you. Have a good Passover and a good Easter.